So what's with the mirepoix in there? Simply because I don't just roast a piece of beef. I have to make the au jus to go with it. So I'm setting this up right now. Bring it back in the refrigerator. So when I get home later from my bowling activities, I can roast this. Salt on the cap. And I have to have au jus. I just can't have it. I might as well just make ribeye steaks out of this. Cut it up. No, no, no. I want this roasted and make the au jus. All the information will be under the video in the description area on timing, the weight, and everything. This is the larger end of the beef. So cooking time is different. Anyway, and I am not what? I can't get this in my head. Prime rib. Yes. Okay. All I have to do is roast it at the correct temperature. Will be listed, and I'll come back later and finish this up. So it's been 2 hours in the oven. Now we're going to flip it over. And put water in there, because to make the au jus, we need a liquid. A little less than a quart. Put it back in, and we'll check it in about 20 minutes. So that's 2 hours already. Now we're going to check the temperature. You put your test straight through the middle. Not through the top, because you don't know how far you're going to go. And we have about 130, which is perfect. So now we're going to take this out, and then we'll go about making the au jus. This is the liquid that came out of the pan. What you see on top is the fat. I'm going to skim that off and put it into this pan, and then put a little cornstarch with the water, mix and thicken it up, and there's our au jus. After I skimmed off the grease, put it in here, put it on the stove, and let's whip in, not all of this, we'll see what we need. It's 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. Maybe it'll take all of it. We'll know in a second. As soon as that boils, I can tell now it's going to take all of it. And then we take the ladle . Put that on low. That's good. Now you have to taste it. Taste it if it needs salt. which it does. So we put some salt. And maybe other people want more, they can add it. We'll put a little pepper. And then we're going to go about cutting it. We'll move that. We're going to slice this and put it on a plate. And one more. Nice. Put a little Au Jus around it. And never on top of it. And that's all you need. Hope you enjoy it.